A court in Tamil Nadu's Madurai district has sentenced 9 police personnel to death in connection with the custodial deaths of P Jayaraj and his son J Benicks in 2020. The court held the officers guilty of torture and murder, observing that the crime warranted the harshest punishment. The judge stated that stricter action was necessary to act as a deterrent, especially since law enforcement officials were involved. The case dates back to June 2020 when the father and son from Thoothukudi district were arrested for allegedly violating lockdown norms. Investigations later indicated that the charges were unfounded. According to the probe, the two were subjected to severe custodial torture at a police station in Sathankulam and died within days of their arrest. Reports cited evidence of physical abuse, including serious injuries. The investigation was later handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation following directions from the Madras High Court. The agency filed murder charges against multiple officers and relied on key witness testimonies and forensic evidence, despite challenges such as missing CCTV footage. The verdict brings closure to one of the most high-profile custodial death cases in recent years, which had triggered nationwide outrage and calls for police accountability.